Hi everyone, I am Rachel Sigole and my colleague's name is Jeril Nebawa. Welcome to our YouTube channel presentation about the topic Nature versus Nature. The aim of this presentation is to explore and critically evaluate the roles of genetics and environmental influences in shaping students and teachers' behavior and development, and also to provide an accessible and encouraging explanation of the nature versus nurture debate. I will explain about who proposed the nature versus nurture debate and why did he propose it, and also the impacts nature versus nurture has on the teaching and learning. From there, my colleague will continue on by doing further explanations on the impacts nature versus nurture debate as on students, their growth and development, and also the challenges and benefits it has on students. Firstly, nature versus nurture is a debate in psychology and sociology concerning the relative contributions of genetics and environmental factors to human behavior and development. In psychology, nature refers to the biological and genetic factors that affect human behavior, personality, and mental processes. And nurture, on the other hand, refers to the environmental factors or influences such as upbringing, culture, and life experiences that shape an individual. Both plays a crucial roles in teaching and learning. The nature versus nurture debate was proposed by Francis Galton in the 19th century, purposely to explore the origins of intelligence and abilities. Nature versus nurture. Nature versus nurture has many impacts on teaching and learning, but I will explain only few of them. One example of impact of nature on teaching is that it fosters experimental learning, allowing students to engage directly with their environment. Outdoor education or nature-based learning can enhance students' understanding of scientific concepts, improve attention and creativity, and promote emotional well-being. Nature has a significant positive impact on learning by enhancing focus, reducing stress, and improving cognitive function. Time spent in nature or green spaces has been shown to increase attention spans and memory retention. It promotes hands-on sensory-rich experiences that make abstract concepts more concrete, especially in subjects like science and geography. Impacts of nature includes individualized support, social and emotional development, and there are also many other impacts. Like in individualized support, nature shapes teaching by encouraging educators to adapt their methods to the unique needs, abilities, and backgrounds of students. This personalized approach helps students feel supported, fostering a more inclusive and effective learning environment. Under the impact, social and emotional development, nature plays a key role in students' emotional well-being, which directly affects their ability to learn. Thank you, that's all from me, and now I let my other colleague to continue from where I stopped. Thank you all.
Impacts on teachers and students in nature versus nurture. In education, both teachers and students are affected by their inherent abilities and the environment in which they teach and learn. Let's look at some impacts on teachers or genetic factors. In nature, teachers may have inherent traits like patience, empathy, or cognitive abilities that influence their teaching styles. Some may have natural aptitude for communication, understanding complex ideas, or emotional regulations, which enhances their ability to engage with students. On the other hand, in nature or environmental factors, a teacher's education, training, and professional development shape their instructional methods and philosophies. School environment Students' demographics and available resources play a significant role in shaping how teachers approach their work. This personal experience influences their biases, teaching preferences, and ability to connect with diverse student population. Let's look at impacts on students. Some students may have natural cognitive strengths or challenges, for example, high IQ, learning disabilities, ADHD, influencing their learning pace and style. Personal traits such as curiosity, resilience, or extroversion or introversion can impact classroom participation and academic performances. On the other hand, in nature, environmental factors, the quality of education, family support, and social environment significantly impact students' academic outcomes. Positive nature and environment, for example, supportive teachers, access to resources, stable home life, can foster academic growth, while negative environment, for example, lack of resources, stressful home life, may hinder learning. Peer influences and cultural expectations can also shape motivation and education aspirations. Let's look at impacts on students and teachers' growth and development. Nature versus nurture is a long-standing debate in psychology regarding the relative importance of genetic inheritance on nature and environmental factors on nature in shaping human behavior, growth, and development. Both nature and nurture play a significant role in students' growth and development. Now let's look at some factors that impact students' growth and development. 1. Cognitive abilities. A student's inherent intelligence and cognitive capacities are influenced by their genetics. This can impact their ability to process information, solve problems, and learn. 2. Personal traits. Certain personality characteristics, such as introversion, extroversion, or emotional ability, can be attributed to genetics. This trait shapes how students interact with peers and teachers and how they approach learning. 3. The peer influences. Peer interactions influence social skills, attitude towards learning, and behavior. Positive peer relationships can foster cooperation and motivation, while negative interactions may lead to issues like bullying or low self-esteem. Let's look at challenges and benefits on students' growth and is that a repetition? Cut it. Challenges and benefits on students' growth and development. Physical development can influenced by one's genetic predispositions or nature. Physical development can be also influenced by a child's environment, nutrition, culture, and access to resources or nature. For example, our genes determine eye color while nature can affect height and weight. Let's look at some challenges and benefits on students' growth and development. The challenges 1. Addressing individual needs. The challenges of addressing individual needs can be difficult for educators and parents to balance nature or genetic predispositions and nature environmental factors in supporting each student. For example, students with learning disabilities require specialized attention, but not all schools have the resources to provide personalized learning. 2. Equity in educational opportunities. Socioeconomic disparities can limit the nature environment for some students. Children from lower income families may lack access to educational resources, creating an imbalance in growth opportunities that is hard to overcome, regardless of genetic potentials. Now let's look at the benefits. 1. Tailored learning approaches. By recognizing the role of both nature and nurture, educators can design more personalized and effective teaching strategies. Understanding a student's genetic predispositions, such as learning styles or cognitive abilities, and the environmental influences, can help cater to their specific needs. 2. Holistic development. Recognizing that both genetics and environment shape development allows for more comprehensive approach to education. Schools can create nature and environments that foster not only academic skills but also social, educational, and physical growth, leading to well rounded individuals. To sum up, in nature and nurture, both elements significantly affect teaching and learning. Teachers and students are influenced by the inherent characteristics, but the environment they are in plays a crucial role in shaping educational outcomes. Thank you for watching.